Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to hold a good plank position.
Start on your knees and put your hands under your shoulder. Drop your elbow on the ground and straight one leg at a time. Engage your core and squeeze your butt. Your back should be straight and flat. Start in the same position. With your hand, push the floor away from you. Your arm is straight and strong. Here are the common mistakes. Don't lean too forward. Stay aligned shoulder with elbow. Never arch your back. If it's too hard, change your exercise. If you feel that your plank is not strong, start with this one.
Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoy it. Practice your plank because on the next episode I will show you 6 plank exercise.